The idea here is to expand this whole area over time to garden bed. I would end it here, okay? Extend the cobblestones. Then you fill in this whole area with perennials because you've got the Rose of Sharon that you're moving, one of them in the middle of that other area here. Then in the middle here is full sun. So it's all your pollinator stuff. So it's, you know, you could do echinacea if you have bunnies, but maybe that will work. Coreopsis. You could do the big stuff in the back, Joe Pye. Okay, you could do the taller asters. You could do bee balm, garden phlox. You could do balloon flower, and salvia, catmint. What else could you do? Black-eyed Susans.
Nice.
So I mean, you know, endless types of options. But filling in this whole area with things that bloom, you know, early in the season, you can start with bulbs and then carry all the way into November. You could do some grasses, particularly in the back against the fence to soften it.
Okay.
So then you fill in this whole area, and on the other side of the dogwood, sort of part sun over there, you could have a little bit more shady stuff just like over there. Okay.